I'm just a simple girl that likes to be extra. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be showing you how I get from this dry, rough looking, just, to this cute, fun, girly, flirty. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, like I just took my hair out the bonnet, so I'm going to shake my hair out and kind of like finger detangle and fluff it out with my fingers. And then I had my hair like this for about 4 days. This is day 4 hair. This is the mini twist out that I had in my previous video. So if you've seen this video, then you've seen the twist out that I had in there. I left those mini twists in for like a week and a half. So it gave me like very good curl definition on here. But I just wanted something different since I haven't been wearing my hair like this, just like in a big puff, well, afro rather, for the last 4 days. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is part my hair in the middle. And I suck at parting, so like make it as straight as possible. It don't have to be like perfect. And then I'm gonna put some water in my hair because you're supposed to, and as you see I got some water in my eye, but this is some water and oil mix because you're all supposed to manipulate your hair when it's a little bit damp. So that's why I was doing that. Then I'm gonna split my hair into 3 sections, 2 mini sections in the front and then 1 big section in the back. Alright, and now the back section, just put that away so it won't be in your way. So now we're going to start working on the 2 front sections. Again, spritzing my hair with some water, like I don't know what I was trying to say there, but some water. And then I'm gonna make a little flat twist in the perimeter of my hair just to get some more, some more character, I guess. So just gonna comb that part out and just do like just a pretty straightforward flat twist. Then of course water and oil again, and then I noticed like my part was like super crooked, so like I said, try to make it as straight as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect, but at least straight as you want it, I should say. So just trying to brush my hair down, trying to get it as flat as possible, gather the twist and the ponytail I'm about to make together, and then put it up in a little ponytail. Alright, and then I was like, I want to do like some little space buns or buns in my hair. So I got my hair together and twirled it around. And guys, this was like freaking goals because I used to not be able to do this. So just look at it, like it's so freaking cute. It's like the perfect little bun. Like I'm so proud of myself. Like my hair is flourishing. So anywho, I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side of my head. Just do like a little twist on the front and then gather it up and make a bun. Alright, y'all, so on this side y'all can see me a little struggling a little bit. Like, this bun did not want to cooperate. Like, it was not giving me the same vibe as it was on the other side, so I would just keep on trying again so I can get it kind to match the other side. I mean, it don't have to be like identical, but they need to be at least twins, you know. So yeah, I finally kind of got it to look like the other side, so I was pretty satisfied for that. Then I'm gonna just bobby pin my hair up so it will stay in a bun. Then just kind of like playing with it and tweaking it, and I'm gonna put another bobby pin there in a minute. But this is the edge control. It's the Cantu edge control, and usually this stuff doesn't work for my hair, but I find that when I water my hair down first and then put it on, it works. And then of course I have to put a scarf on. But as you see, I was trying to put it with a toothbrush. I was straight cleaning myself right there. Like, I don't know what I was doing with the toothbrush. So you see, I grabbed my regular hard brush and kind of brushed my edges down. And yeah, so like you see, I'm about to put another bobby pin on there because some hair is sticking out. And then I'm gonna just put my scarf on and let it set for like 10, I probably let it set like 10-20 minutes because I had to wash the dishes and then fully get dressed. And then yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Let it set. So I'm back with my work clothes on, my glasses, my earrings, all this stuff. So basically I'll just fluff it out, everything. Fluff it out with your hands. If you have a wide tooth comb or pick, you can do that. And kind of like shape it and, like, you know, make it look cute. Make it do you, girl. So yeah, this style took me under 10 minutes. Like, it's super cute, super fun, super girly. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please definitely subscribe, like, share. I'm definitely loving my hair. Like, it's just flourishing. Like, I'm so freaking happy. But yeah, guys, I freaking love you guys and hope to see you in my next video.